Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to flip screen on Windows 10 and show you an easy way to rotate your display whenever you need it. Method 1. Flip screen using desktop display settings. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop, which is the main background area of your screen, because this gives you quick access to display and personalization options. Step 2. Click on Display Settings, where Windows lets you control screen resolution, scaling, and orientation for your monitor. Step 3. Scroll down to Display Orientation, which is the section used to rotate your screen for portrait or flipped viewing. Step 4. Click the drop-down menu and select Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, or Portrait Flipped, depending on how you want your screen to rotate for work or viewing. Step 5. Click. Keep changes to apply the new screen orientation, so Windows saves the rotation and keeps your display set the way you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.